Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Kathryn, and today we're gonna play Happy Birthday. Let's do it. Ukulele Wine Time. So we're gonna play an easy version of Happy Birthday. We just need 3 chords. Those chords are C, G, and F. Okay, I'm actually gonna put the chord overview at the end, so we're gonna jump right into the song. As always, the timestamps are below if you need to jump around. I will show you the basic version right here to start in case you're learning this song like 5 minutes before you have to play it. I got you. If you wanna zhuzh it up and you have a little more time, I'm gonna show you some different strumming patterns and some other chords that you can add to make it a little more fancy, but for now, we're gonna keep it super simple. Let's go. I'm gonna play once through slowly, showing you where the chords line up with the lyrics, and then we'll try the whole thing together. We're just doing simple downstrokes to start on each chord. Here we go. So we're starting, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Let's do that one more time. So we've got happy birth on birth, we've got C, to you, on you we've got G. We stay on G, happy birthday to you. I've got those bolded below where that lines up. Let's go to the next section. Happy birthday, dear. We're switching to F chord here. Someone. Happy birthday to you. It's probably the trickiest part in the whole song right there. Switching to that G chord really fast at the end on to you, and we're back to C. Let's try the whole thing together. Here we go. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Okay, that is the simple version. I'm gonna give you some ways to level it up from there, including a strumming pattern. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so we started with simple downstrokes on each of those chords. If you want to level it up a little bit, give it a little more rhythm, you can do 3 downstrokes. So this heads up, this song is actually in 3 rather than our common 4, which means there are 3 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy. Okay, so that's where we're gonna put our chords. It's gonna sound like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. Okay, only tricky part of that one is on that last G chord, you've got 2 downstrokes on G. Happy birthday to someone. Happy birthday to you. So it's 2 counts on birthday on C, and then 1 on G to you. Okay, so that's our strumming option number 2. If you're ready to level it up from there, you can do a very simple strumming pattern in 3, and that's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. Cool. And again, that little to you at the end kind of, you don't have to worry about the down, down, up, down, up, down. For that, you can just play to you for that last little part. Okay, that's strumming pattern number 3. Now I'm gonna give you a couple chord variations if you're like, yes, please give me all the level ups. I wanna play the fanciest happy birthday. First of all, Cheers to you. This is ukulele wine time. I thought a mimosa would be a nice birthday drink for us today. Maybe you're going to birthday brunch. Maybe you're bringing your ukulele, getting a little fancy for birthday brunch. I don't know. Anyway, cheers to you if you are learning happy birthday on your ukulele. I think that is very cool. And cheers to your creativity. Okay, are you ready for this? So we've got just our basic. Here's our first chord level up. Instead of playing our simple G chord, you could play a G7 chord. So just replace all those G's with a G7. So that's our first level up there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. That's our first level up. Ready for our second chord level up? I think there's only two. And I'm going to show you another key. Here's our second chord level up. We're going to add another 7 chord or dominant chord. It's going to be a C7 chord. Okay, and check out the chord overview. I will do a slower walk down of all the chords. But that's going to sound like this. It happens on happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. So on the birthday before you say the name, that's where the C7 goes. So you could add both of those 7 chords or just the one or the other. Let me show you now the chord variation with both the G7 and the C7 added. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. Okay, that is our fully zhuzhed, fancy version of happy birthday with all the bells and whistles. Okay. From here, very, very, very important. So we've all been to that birthday party when we're like, let's sing happy birthday. And everyone starts singing together and it's like, of course, it's lovely that we're all singing happy birthday to our friend or family member, but it's just it's just everyone's in their own pitch universe. It's very clashy. It could be, and it's joyful, but it could be more joyful if we all started on the same pitch if you were playing your ukulele. So here's how to get everybody on the same starting pitch, okay? Before playing happy birthday. So you're going to take that G7 chord. Happy birthday. And let's talk about the actual starting pitch. So for our intro, you can either play the G if you're keeping it simple, or you can play the G7. Okay, so some form of that G chord, G or G7. And get that happy birthday. And that note that you're singing is actually a G. Okay, so if we do, so we're in the key of C. Birthday, happy birthday, do. And that's on your C string. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Tiny bit of music theory for you. Do. And our starting pitch is the so below that, do, ti, la, so. So your top string here is a G, but it's an octave above. Okay, so happy birthday to you. To get everyone on the same page for the starting pitch. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know in the comments below. I hope that helps. Also, if you are finding this video helpful, if you've made it this far, please cheers the like button below. I hope you subscribe to my channel, Ukulele Wine Time, most of the time, for lots of song tutorials and to just relax and play some music together. Maybe you're drinking wine, maybe you're not. That's cool too. Here is that chord review if you need a little review of any of those chords. So I'm going to show you how to play all of them. step by step. Let's start with our C chord. So our ukulele fingers, thumb, you don't get a number. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna need our 1, 2, 3, third finger or ring finger on the 1, 2, 3, third fret. And that's your bottom string or your G, C, E, A string. That's our C chord, okay? And then from there, let's go to a G chord. This finger is actually just gonna jump up one string, okay, same fret. And then you've got your P sign fingers here are gonna go on the second fret, okay, on the string surrounding that. So it makes a little triangle on the fretboard there. So that's our G chord. And then our F chord, P sign fingers. Let's do our first finger first. So that's on the first fret on your G, C, E string, okay? And then skip a string, and then on the second fret, second finger, second fret. That's our F chord. Okay, so those are our simple chords for the song. If you're doing the level up and you want to play those 7 chords, first I'll show you G7. So now we just invert the triangle on the fretboard. So before the point was going down, now the point is going up. There's our G7 chord, okay? So let's start, I think it's easier to start with the 2 fingers because they're on the same fret there. So they're on the second fret, okay? And there's a string in the middle that you skip. And then on the string that you skipped, your first finger goes on the first fret. Okay, so that's our G7 chord. And then our other chord variation that we added was a C7, and that's just first finger, first fret on your bottom string closest to the floor, first string, or a G, C, E, and your A string. Okay, so those are all your chords: C, G, F, G7, and C7. All right, cheers, y'all. Let me know if you successfully play Happy Birthday for someone and bring some joy to their day. I love that. Cheers, see you soon. Ukulele wine time.